Hello and welcome to Setup Tour of Xero Connector for Prestashop. We will show you the complete setup process of the module. Let's start. First step is to log in with your Prestashop admin panel and go to Module Manager. Now click the Upload a Module and select the module zip. It will install the module. Once you see the message module installed, click the Configure button. It will take you to the module configuration page. Now the setup process of module will begin from here. The first step is to copy the redirect URI from module setting page and click Generate Client ID and Secret button present at left bottom of page. It will open the Xero developer page. Log in with your account. Go to My Apps. Click New App. Add any app name. Select Web App in Integration Type. Add URL of your site in company or application URL. Add redirect URI as displayed in module setting. Agree terms and condition. Click Create App. Now copy client ID from configuration section in your app, paste in module setting in respected field. Now click Generate a secret, copy this client secret, paste in module setting in respected field. Now, enter any dummy values in tokens. Click Save. Configuration is saved. Now click Generate Tokens button in Module Setting. Select an organization and click Allow Access. Once it will be connected, it will display the tokens. Once you see the tokens, refresh the module configuration page and you will see that tokens are present in respected fields. There are few more fields in module setting. Xero invoice status. Select the status which you want to set for Xero invoice while syncing the orders from Prestashop. Next field is Xero revenue account code. Enter the Xero sales account code here. Next field is start date to sync orders. This field will set the date from which Prestashop orders will sync to Xero. Next field is Order Statuses. Select the order statuses of Prestashop orders that will be synced to Xero. Leave it you want to sync all orders. Now save the configuration. Module setting is complete from Prestashop end. Now, go to your Xero account, click Organization Name, click Settings, click Currencies, click Add Currency and add all currencies used in your site. Now configuration is done from both ends. Now we will show you the syncing of customers, products, and orders. Check your left panel, you will see the sync menus. Now click the Sync Customers. Click the Export button to sync the customers from Prestashop to Xero. Import button will do the reverse of export. We have synced the customers and you can see the synced customer list is updated. Let's see them in Xero also. See customers are present in Xero. You need to repeat same process for products and orders also. We have tried to cover all points, mainly the setup process. In case of any query, comment here or mail us at support@opencartcity.com. For further updates, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video.